Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today I'm making crispy tea time atta nashta. Flaky, crunchy and full of beautiful spice flavor. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon ajwain, 1 tablespoon ghee, half teaspoon salt. Mix everything well until crumbly. Kalonji and Ajwain give traditional bakery style flavor. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually. Make a smooth dough. Tea time snacks are popular in many cultures. Simple ingredients can make delicious crunchy snacks. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside for 5 minutes. Now take small portion of dough and roll them out. Spread a little oil over the surface. Sprinkle some chaat masala and chili powder evenly. Now fold the dough tightly into a roll. Cut into small pieces. Press gently and roll lightly again. Layered dough creates a crispy, flaky texture. Roll gently to keep the layers visible. Heat oil in a pan and fry in medium heat until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Do not overcrowd the pan while frying. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Ajwain may help with digestion. Homemade snacks are fresher and cleaner. Using atta makes the snack more filling. You can control spices and oil at home. Your crispy tea time atta nashta is ready. Serve hot with tea and enjoy the crunch. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy homemade recipes.